So on this edit screen, if you want to go to the beginning or the end of the program, if you press jump, you see the F3 key, jump, yeah, and then you can go to the end of the program, you press that, yeah, and then if you press jump again, you go to the top of the program, press jump again, you can enter this number here. So if you put in there, say 50, yeah, and press enter, take you to block 50, and then jump again back to the top, yeah, and then you've got, if you press replace, what you do is you type in, say for example you wanted G54, enter, and then you put G55, you can tell it to replace all the G54s with G55s, right? And then if you look at the copy function, so press copy, and then all you do is cursor down, press copy again, and then wherever you take that, that's on your clipboard, and you just press paste to put it in, yeah? And then if you look at your search facility, you can search forward or backwards. So I've written in there, it's remembered what I put in, so if I put forwards, it'll find my G53. If I put backwards, it can't find it because there isn't any. Yeah, so that's your search. So you got cut, paste, copy, jump, replace. But that jump is really good for getting to the end and to the beginning of your program. It's a quick way of doing it.